All right, guys, welcome back to another unboxing with Scott. So you guys can see this. Your first reaction is probably thinking, wow, this is a royal mess, and I agree. So we have this for all of our Jeep accessories, and we have this, but I want to clean things up a little better. That's why we're reviewing these bags. All right, guys, so we're still clamping them around, and we got to make them more tight, but you guys can get an idea how it looks. Now there's a couple options you can do. You can do it like down like that, which goes behind the seat, or you can pull it out front, which this is how I'm going to do it. It basically kind of goes like this in a way. That's what I'm going to be doing, so that way it gives me easier access. If it's straight out like this, then I got to reach far back over here, pull things out. But this way we can go at an angle, and it's going to be on the same side as well, because there's 2 bags in this kit. So it's going to look nice putting stuff in and cleaning all this up. So all of our tools are going to go in these bags. We can rotate some different tools in other areas, but overall, yeah, I'm happy with them. It's going to work out great for cleaning this whole floor up. This will be empty. All right, so the zipper opens up on the side, and you can also put other stuff. So what we're doing is we're opening the zipper, putting in side here stuff that we don't use as often. So what we're gonna do is keep the stuff we use often right out here. The stuff we don't use as often, put in here, and then we're gonna tuck it back up in like this. So it's actually pretty cool, because now we can have like all of our tools where we want and all different stuff in our vehicle, which is pretty awesome in my opinion. So yeah, so far I'm pretty happy. So look at all the stuff we're fitting in here. I mean, we're fitting tons and tons of stuff. It is so cool, guys.